C-2 smoothing cream is where the whole journey began. This is how we started making professional hair products, and this is how I began my journey in handcrafting formulas working with a chemist. To get to a finished product with this took 2.5 years and 13 different versions of it. It's still the only product of its kind in the world where all of the residue evaporates. It's brilliant for blow drying and smoothing hair out. That's whether you're blow drying hair straight or wrapping it round a round brush to get it curly. It's really great too for naturally curly hair, and that expanse you get from the hair being wet to dry. Normally there's a little bit of frizz if you don't use a product, and some people like to stick those curls together with sticky styling products. So this is the opposite of that. And you're getting a defined curl without the feeling of a product on the hair. So there's zero residue. You will see some steam coming off the hair when you blow drying. That's all of the product evaporating. But we get so much great feedback from stylists around the world about this product. In America, it's our best-selling product in the whole line. And in the world, it's our second best-selling product in the whole line. So something very, very close to my heart.